All right, so to begin, guys, you're gonna want to pop the hood, let the engine cool down, let all electronics power down, make sure the car is fully off, keep the key away from the vehicle, and then you're gonna start with your engine cover here. There's 2 tabs. You're just going to pop these open like this, and then that gives you access to 2 10mm bolts that you're going to take off. And then the other one. So once you get your engine bay cover off, it's going to give you clear access to this panel here, which has 2 10mm bolts. You're going to want to remove those next. All right, guys, so you're going to start with the first cable, which is right here. This one right here. This is your channel A, which is going to be your intake manifold pressure sensor. So you see that gray tab right here. Hold on. This tab right here, you're going to slide it back, and then you're going to push down on it, and it's going to release it to slide out. All right, now that I got it free, I'm going to now come over to my MADNESS Autoworks cable supply here. So this is channel A right here. You're going to use this connector here with the gray tab. You're going to plug it into here, which is from the car plug. And then the other, this cable here is the one you're going to plug into this cable right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, your last sensor you're going to tap into is this one right here. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull back on this gray whitish tab here. Pull back, press down, and it will release. And that's channel B, which is going to be your boost pressure sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get this all tightened up. All right, guys, so I got everything plugged in. We are good to go. Now it's just pretty much cable management, putting everything back together, and then mounting the module. And I'll get to that in a second. So again, this over here is your boost pressure sensor, and then over here is your intake manifold. So yeah, you're tapping into 2 sensors, and that's about it. So I'm gonna get everything put back together, and I'll be back in a sec. All right, so we are all done. Everything is put back together. I mounted the module right here. MADNESS Autoworks sells this mounting bracket. It's only like 20 bucks. It's kind of worth it. I double-side taped it, so it's pretty on there. And it looks pretty good too. So anyway, we're all done. As you can see, the cables from MADNESS come out right here. I have it all nicely managed. But yeah, so we're gonna now turn on the vehicle and connect the Bluetooth to the app on the phone, and I'll show you guys that now. All right, guys, so after you turn on the vehicle, it will power on the module, but you're gonna want to download the app if you haven't done so already. It's called MADNESS Power Pack, and again, this app works both for Android, and Apple. So once you download it, you're going to open it up, and it's probably going to prompt a message asking for a passkey. And that passkey is on the back of the module. And once you plug in that number, it should pair and you should be all set and good to go. All right, guys, that's it for the installation. I hope this helped you. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I think it took me less than 15 minutes to do. You know, it's essentially it's like a plug and play type thing, and yeah, I think it's definitely worth it. If you have a Go pedal, it's definitely worth it, and if you don't, you gotta get the Go pedal. I think these two products definitely work hand in hand because you could feel the difference, and it's pretty fun. The car is definitely more enjoyable to drive now. It's alive, and yeah, it's definitely worth it. So shout out to Randy, shout out to Chad. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. This product is a 10 out of 10. Very happy. One thing I did forget to mention, in the box you will get this bypass switch, which is pretty cool. It pretty much, you plug this in and it restores everything back to original. So if you're going to the dealership or maintenance, anything like that, you just unplug the module and plug this in, and it pretty much restores everything back to stock. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, overall happy, and yeah, it's a lot of fun now to drive my car. Yeah, appreciate you guys watching. I hope this video helped you with your Stelvio or even your Giulia. So please stay tuned. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is lowering springs by MADNESS. I think I'm gonna do the 2-inch drop, so that's something to look forward to. But yeah, again, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.